In this video, you will learn how to print directly to disk with Swift Publisher. For this, your Epson, Canon, or other printer must come with a disk tray which enables you to print directly to disks with printable surface. First, select the disk tray layout corresponding to your printer. Choose the File, Change Layout menu to bring up the Change Layout dialog. In the dialog, select the printer manufacturer and tray type from the list. The tray type is usually engraved on the printer's disk tray. Proceed to printing by clicking the Print button on the toolbar and in the Print dialog, select the Paper Handling option. Then tick Scale to Fit Paper Size option. Click on Destination Paper Size drop-down menu and select the option which is provided by your printer manufacturer for printing to disks. You may refer to your printer documentation for that information. For most Epson printers, this will be the A4 CD/DVD option. For Canon printers, it may correspond to the disk tray letter. After that, you may need to set Print Media and Quality. For Epson printers, the setting is normally located under the Print Settings tab. For Canon printers, this may be the Quality and Media tab. Again, you may need to consult your printer documentation for that. If the printed image is not centered properly on the disk, try calibrating the printer. The Options button in the Print dialog brings up a dialog where you can specify horizontal and vertical offset values.